Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge. Here's a quick before shot. It definitely wasn't super organized and there were crumbs and gunk on the shelves. I started by taking everything out of the fridge and laying it on the counter. I tried to keep like items together to some degree just to make it easier to put everything back in after. If you're new to my channel, you'll notice we like sauce in this house. My husband always jokes that we need one fridge for food and a second one just for sauces. We also had a ton of cheese and almond milk on hand, but those are two things we tend to go through pretty quickly. Once the fridge was empty, I sprayed the whole thing down with some cleaning solution. I actually mixed the spray myself. It's just water, vinegar, and lemon essential oil. Normally I just use method for something like this, but I wanted to try something new. I used a microfiber cloth to wipe down all the surfaces. I tried to make sure I did a thorough clean and got all the little nooks and crannies. Not just the shelves and the drawers, but the back wall and sides and the underside of the shelves. I ended up taking the drawers out of the fridge completely, A, to make it easier to clean them, and B, so that I could shut the door for a bit and stop letting all the cold air out. It also made it much easier to wipe the spot in the fridge where the drawers normally sit. The small upper drawer definitely needed to be pulled out. It was so sticky, and I'm not even 100% sure what that came from. After I finished cleaning the main part of the fridge, I moved on to the door. These floating shelves were kind of hard to remove, but I was able to clean in and around them pretty well from inside the fridge. It definitely took longer than I expected to clean the fridge. Every time I thought I was done, I'd take one final look and notice a spot that I missed. Finally, I got to the point where I started putting food back in. As I grabbed things off the counter, I took a quick glance to make sure it was something that was still good and we were going to use. The door is the most consistently organized part of the fridge, because it's mostly just sauce. The lower right shelf is for the condiments and salad dressings like honey mustard, ranch, mayo. The upper right is for sauces and ingredients used primarily for cooking, like soy sauce, Worcestershire, garlic paste, ginger paste, lemon juice. The left shelf is our hot and spicy section, so hot sauce, buffalo sauce, taco sauce. In the bottom of the door, I put all of our almond milk, juice, chicken stock, and our oversized ketchup bottle. Fun fact, I actually don't like ketchup, but my husband does, and of course he wanted the biggest bottle. I threw out the packaging from the yogurt and fruit cups since there was only one of each left in the sleeve. I'm glad to say I only got rid of 2 things during this whole clean out. There was a jar of onion jam from about a year ago that was 99% empty. I was going to toss the whole jar, but I figured maybe I'd wash it out and try to use the jar for something else. And there was a pepperoni stick that had been sitting in the small drawer for months, if not even longer. The bag was covered in whatever sticky substance had been coating the bottom of the drawer, so I didn't even think about keeping it. I think in the past few years we've significantly cut down on the amount of food we waste. We've been shopping smarter, meal planning, and just generally been more aware of what's in the fridge that might go bad soon. And here is the after. On the top shelf, I've got some Asian sauces, miscellaneous jarred products like pizza sauce, pickles, curry, and then I've got some fruit and yogurt. The small drawer is currently empty since I'd already cooked all the raw meat that we bought for the week. On the middle shelf, I've got veggies and drinks. And on the bottom shelf, I've got leftovers and eggs. In the 2 drawers at the bottom, I've got cheese and pepperoni on the right, and beer on the left. Oh, and I forgot to mention when I was showing the door earlier, in the little cupboard section at the top, that's just where we keep butter. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like it if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.